What's up, gearheads? The 2025 Nissan Z Nismo has finally dropped, and it's nothing short of a masterpiece for those who crave speed and style. Nissan's legendary Z line gets a fresh, adrenaline-packed update with the Nismo edition, and trust me, this ride is ready to turn heads and burn rubber. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Z Nismo is rocking a twin-turbo V6 that churns out serious horsepower, making every drive feel like a race day. Whether you're hitting the track or just cruising down the highway, this car's got the muscle to back up its aggressive looks. And speaking of looks, the Nismo design doesn't disappoint. With a sleek body kit, bold front fascia, and those iconic red accents, this car is as fierce as it gets. Inside, Nissan has kept things sporty yet refined. You'll find Alcantara trim, a Nismo-branded steering wheel, and seats that hug you through every twist and turn. The cockpit is designed for drivers who mean business, with all the tech you need to stay connected while you're tearing up the pavement. But here's the big question: is the 2025 Nissan Z Nismo all it's cracked up to be? From where I'm sitting, it's a resounding yes. This car isn't just about speed, it's about delivering an all-around exhilarating driving experience. So, if you're looking to upgrade your ride and make a statement, the Z Nismo might just be your next obsession. If you're feeling this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to stay updated on all things automotive, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the 2025 Nissan Z Nismo for a spin?